Yeah, hello. Today I have here the JBL TUNE205 Bluetooth headphones, wireless. They have hands-free calling and they come here in this nice packaging. You can see this here. Pure bass sound, hands-free calls, Tangle free flat cable, and then comfort fit earbuds. And you can already see the headphones here through this little window in the front. So let's pull it out here and see what we have. So first we have here this small short micro USB charging cable. And now here's already the headphones, TUNE205. See this here, this short cable, gray cable, and partially black. And here we have the left earpiece. You can see here this brushed nickel, maybe. I don't know, the surface looks nice. Okay. And then here we have this little clip here to where you can shorten basically your cable in. Then here we have this piece. This is probably the battery in here. And then next, so label. And then comes here this remote. Let's have a closer look at that here. You can see here JBL logo on one side. And then here we have the buttons. Volume up, down, and then power on in the middle. And also the Bluetooth pairing. On the side here we have this little dust cover. Behind it is the micro USB charging port. Right, very important. And then on the back side we also have this little tiny hole. It's probably where the microphone is in. Okay, and then here, what else? We have here the right side, the right earpiece, and you can see here they differentiate the earpieces with this color coded. The red dot is for the right side, and on the left side there was this blue dot. Okay, yeah, I'm going to show you these here a little bit in detail here for a little bit, so you can have like a real nice close look and see. Tell me what you think. Do you think they look nice or not so good? Okay, and then let's have a quick look at the material that comes with the headphones. Here we have some paperwork here, warranty information and safety instructions. Alright, and then what else? All kinds of stuff. I'm just going to fast forward through here. Also here the quick start guide shows you like all the different modes of these headphones and what the light, the LED here on the side of the remote means. Yeah, if you want to take a closer look, then maybe just pause the video and then read whatever you want to take a look at. Okay, so and yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions then leave a comment below and don't forget to check out my other videos.